class. Welcome to reading class today. We are going to do something a little bit different. I know in science class we've been doing a lot of hands-on activities where you guys get to play with the materials and use your hands to build, and we're going to build upon that a little bit today. But we're first going to start our lesson in reading. And then we're going to, after lunch, expand our reading lesson, our science lesson that we're starting in reading. We will expand it into science class and do some more hands-on activities that will also cover a little bit of the math that we've been working on for you guys with measuring with your rulers. So what I would like you to do before we get started is I'm going to have you in your same reading groups you're normally in. So red, green, orange, and purple. You guys will get out your writing notebooks and go ahead to your desk, get your writing notebooks out, and I'm going to write a question on the board. The question on the board that we are going to begin with is, what do you think keeps a ball when you throw it in the air or when you roll it, when you're playing with your mom and your dad in your yard, when you're during gym class? I know you guys have played dodgeball and kickball. I've seen you throwing the ball like a football. So what is it that you guys think keeps that ball from, as soon as you let it go from your hands, whether it's rolling it or throwing it, what keeps it from just dropping to the ground? Do you think something, is it the weight of it? Is it how fast you guys push it or throw it? What is something that you think affects that ball that it doesn't immediately drop to the ground? So I'd like you to get out your writing notebooks and take a few minutes and write down your thoughts on that. And if you have any questions, just let me know. But we're going to, then we have our reading that we're going to go through on Newsella, and you guys we're then going to see which thoughts that you guys had were right and which were wrong, and how many of you were on the right track. This will then tie over into our lesson after lunch. And after lunch, we're going to build a little contraption called a hopper. I have all of the supplies for us. We're going to build that. And that's going to show us through our lesson on Mystery Science how you guys could beat your mom and your dad at a tug-of-war game. So, wouldn't that be cool to tell your mom and your dad you know how to beat them at a tug-of-war game? So go ahead and write down your thoughts, and then we will, in a few minutes, we will go ahead and start our article that we're going to read, and we'll go over what some of you guys thought. We'll meet back here on the carpet.